Hi, everybody. I am now on my daughter's Chromebook. Nellie, you want to come say hi? Hello. To see if I can show you a different way to access Hypothesis on the Chromebooks that you get from school. Okay, so right now I'm on the Hypothesis homepage, and I just wanted to show you how to install the extension on Google Chrome. So once the extension is installed, it's really easy to open up and annotate the readings that I'll link to. So you all have probably already signed up and gotten your free account because I provided you that link in Canvas. To install the Chrome extension, you just click this Chrome extension button. And it will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. And then you just add the Hypothesis extension to Chrome. And it will set it all up. Check it out. And it will add it. And you are all set. And so now when you actually want to annotate, it'll actually be in the extension. So you can see the little H icon. You can enable it that way. And that is another way to actually access the readings. So I don't know if this is what the screen you all are seeing when you try to access them. I see what you're saying is just blank. It says reset. So what I can do is then, oh my gosh, really remove the Hypothesis proxy that I had installed there and open up the reading and then enable the Hypothesis sidebar so we can see it. And then once you're logged in, you can access it and then annotate. So hopefully that works. And yeah, let me know if it doesn't. We'll try to troubleshoot this.